Hey there, everybody. I got it. What happened was the battery was spinning it way too slow. So here you go. And she floods. Well, I'm at here. She floods very easy. Just gotta drain the carb again. Just redraining the carb. She floods way too easy. But it is running. It does run now, so it does have spark, which is good. Perfect, actually. So I don't have to rip apart this motor. It's a Tecumseh, so let's see what happens. Oh, got to turn the gas on. Let some gasket down there. There we go. Yardworks Kart. There you go. There she is. Got her going. Key back in this guy. Hopefully this will start back up and get up the hill. As you all know, it's only two-wheel drive. Not very much torque. It's not a very torquey motor. But there. I got it. Leave the gas in the tank, turned it off, grab my wrench, go home, clean up, and come back over for a party. I had to make sure I can get this guy to start. So there she is. If anyone knows anything about these Yardworks carts, this thing has bad steering right now. Anyone knows how to get some parts for it, please send me a line. Tool away. So yeah, there she is. Yardworks Kart in person, running. Got her going, which is, I'm happy. I know the motor's still good. It sat out in the rain a few days, or more like a month. Because using my big one to cut the grass here. We got about a quarter acre here. So yeah, there she is in person. She's running good, decent at least. We're sitting for about 3 months. Yeah, about 3 months it was sitting, so it's not bad. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you had a happy new year. Again, this is Redneck Brian. Please subscribe if you already haven't. Thank you very much. Goodbye.